We asked our good friend ChatGPT how to make the best tasting protein shake. Here's what the chat spit out. First, the chat wants us to add some oats. Let's do it. Let's blend it up until it's fine. Don't look at me, subscribe. Quick scoop of protein powder. Now 1 banana. Apparently only this much peanut butter, whatever. Now some almond milk. Some cinnamon. Now some honey. Let's blend. So overall, it's okay. It's a little thick, too thick for my liking, but it has a good chocolate flavor, and it's quite sweet. So I'm gonna have to give it an 8.5 out of 10.